Feeling awful on keto? You're not alone. Hi there, I'm here to help you navigate the bumpy road of the ketogenic diet and make it a smoother journey. So let's dive right into why you might be feeling like rubbish, and more importantly, how to fix it. First off, the dreaded keto flu. When you cut out carbs, your body goes through a period of withdrawal, headaches, fatigue, nausea, and irritability. It's like your body's throwing a tantrum because it craves those carbs. Don't worry though, it's temporary. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water and getting enough electrolytes. Think sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These will help alleviate those nasty symptoms. Next up, are you eating enough? On keto, it's easy to undereat because fats are super satiating. If you're feeling weak and tired, you might not be getting enough calories. So, toss in some extra avocado, nuts, or a fatty cut of meat into your meals. Your body will thank you. Now, constipation. Yeah, no one likes to talk about it, but it's a common issue on keto. The lack of fiber from grains and fruits can leave you backed up. Solution: load up on low-carb veggies like spinach, kale, and broccoli. They've got the fiber you need without kicking you out of ketosis. Also consider your fat sources. Not all fats are created equal. If you're feeling sluggish, you might be overdoing it on the wrong kinds of fats. Go for quality fats like olive oil, coconut oil, and fatty fish. These not only provide energy, but also have numerous health benefits. And let's talk about sleep. Poor sleep can make any diet feel like a nightmare. The transition to keto can disrupt your sleep patterns at first. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and avoid caffeine in the afternoon. Your body needs rest to adjust and thrive. Lastly, patience is key. Your body is undergoing a significant metabolic shift, so give it time. It might take a few weeks for your body to fully adapt to burning fat for fuel. In the meantime, stay positive, listen to your body, and make adjustments as needed. So, there you have it. If you're feeling awful on keto, don't throw in the towel just yet. With the right tweaks and a little patience, you can turn that feeling around and start reaping the benefits of this powerful diet. Keep pushing forward, and remember, you've got this. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best keto life. Catch you next time.